Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Easy Tricks app. In today's video, I will tell you how to post old videos as new on Snapchat. For this, I will just open my Snapchat app and now I will post a story, an old story. I will click on memories and then on my 2023, I will pick this short video and I will send it to my story. I will select my story and I will proceed. And now the story is added. Now I will go back and I will go back again and I will go to my profile and I will go to my story. You can see I have the story from 1 month ago from memory. I will just click to three dots and I will save it. I will click it again and I will delete this story before anyone see it. Now you can see my story is deleted. I will go back and I will go to my camera roll. I will click to memories and then go to camera roll, and this is, you can see the video. Now I will send it to my story from here. I will click send to my story and then proceed. The story is added. I will go back and here I will click to my profile and my story again, and you can see my story is updated 1 minute ago. That's it from today's video guys. If you are new to our channel, like the video, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for future notifications. Take care.